So why does it bother me so much when people call this tree a cedar tree? It's not a cedar tree. Nope. People call it eastern red cedar. People also call it aromatic red cedar, but it is not a cedar tree. Now, I've been told that I shouldn't have this tree growing here if I want to have apples. So one of the reasons I'm doing this video is to sort of document its growth and if it's diseased or not. I cannot tell. So, if it's not a cedar, since there are no cedars in North America, nope, there are no true cedars, as in cedar of Lebanon. This, my friends, is a juniper. Okay? Juniper. Precisely, it is Juniperus virginiana. But we call it cedar. So I'm trying to highlight something that I keep seeing. And it's so hard because I can't see much on this camera. But this tree has been with me since I was 17 years old. It's 51 years. I'm going to be 52. It came home with me when it was probably about that big, from New Jersey. I was part owner at 17 of some land in New Jersey, and these grew wild there. So we grew it in a pot in our backyard in New York City, and then it moved here to Pennsylvania 37 years ago, and there she stands. So, Creedmoor, if you watch this, this is the only juniper or cedar within any distance of my property. There are arborvitaes on other people's property, but this is the only juniper. She's not looking fantastic. Probably needs a pruning, at least on the lower branches. There's no real timber in here to be had, maybe for some small wood turning projects and such, maybe jewelry boxes. But there you have it, everybody. Juniperus virginiana, commonly known as eastern red cedar. I'm sorry, it's not a cedar. Walter out.